Within every Borg and Overström sparkling product in the E, T, and C series, the Procore will have a sparkling flow controller. This video will illustrate what adjusting this flow controller does and why you may want to adjust it after installing your water dispenser. The flow controller is an adjustable valve that allows more or less sparkling water to be dispensed by changing the flow rate. When we dispense sparkling water, the carbonation tank will start losing its volume of sparkling water. To refill the carbonation tank, the carbonation pump will energize. The pump can only work so fast, and if the sparkling water is dispensing too quickly, the carbonation tank will empty and you'll see spluttering CO2 gas from the outlet. So when would you want to adjust this flow controller? If you want to fill large bottles with sparkling water, then you will want to close the flow controller slightly to slow the dispense of sparkling water, allowing the carbonation pump to keep up with the volume of water that's being dispensed. If you are filling small containers with sparkling water, such as individual glasses, then you can leave the flow controller to its default setting. You may want to experiment a bit to find the right setting for you. Too slow and your dispense will time out before filling the vessel. Too quick and you may cause splashing, and the carbonation tank may empty too quickly before your vessel is full. All flow controllers within the Procores are preset to a healthy medium level from the factory. In most cases, you won't need to adjust the flow controller, but it can be a useful tool to fine-tune your customer's sparkling water experience.